Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of LyubakaVideo. My name is Lubo and you're watching an unboxing. I finally got my first one-weight fly rod and fly reel. So let's see. First things first, this is the fly rod. Comes with this neat package. The brand is Aventik. There's this pretty sturdy carry case, and let's see what's inside. I can already tell I'm gonna like this. Check this out. So this is the LW 0 to 1 weight 4-section rod. It has a very nice smooth feel to the reel seat. There's section number 2, and quality rods usually have these little dots to a point where you need to attach them, and also greasy nose guys know why we do that. This way it's easier to take it off after. So this is the second section in. Section number 3, a little nose grease. And this is the top tip. Let's get a little bit more of the nose grease. Shout out to my friends Frank and Guido, the Bohemian brothers. They taught me a lot of neat tricks. So again, this is the carry case, beautiful build. I'll set it down here. And this is the Aventik all times 4-piece 0 to 1 weight fly rod. I am actually really impressed. It's really good quality, and I'll tell you how I got it for free. I haven't checked my Amazon associate earnings for over a year, and I decided to go in and check it. I had like over 250 bucks, for which I thank you guys for using my links to shop from Amazon.com shop LyubakaVideo. Every little bit helps. So I managed to order myself my first one-weight rod. So the rod is ready. I'll set it up here. Let's jump to the reel. So this is the one-weight reel from Angler's Dream. Not this Angler's Dream, the other one. And let's hope I can open it nice and easy. Very good sturdy packaging. They came really fast. They're from the Amazon fulfillment, so I guess these guys are doing a good job. If Amazon keeps them, don't do what I'll do. I'm just too excited to open this up. Alright, so top of the box, 50-yard Angler's Dream Osprey backing. This is fly line backing. They've included a leader. This one is a 12-foot 7X tippet, and this is the loop connector. This is the actual second loop connector. This one is rated at 30 pounds. The first one was rated at 30 pounds as well. So far, really impressive. I've never held floating line in one weight. Look at this thing. Unreal. It's as thin as probably 20-pound braid. Unbelievable. And this is the fly reel, guys. So this one is called just a 70 millimeter. 70 millimeters, for those wondering, is about 3 inches. This is the reel. This is as a background, this is my hand. So this is the size of the reel. let's throw in on the rod, see what it looks like assembled. Alright, and that's it. Now I'm not sure this is gonna be a sturdy enough assembly, just like so. So I'll probably need to throw in an extra ring to hold it in place. But so far so good. Got a nice click. Okay. So far so good. I'll throw on some line and I'll get back to you to see what it looks like then. And my hope is to catch as many species as possible on the one weight, because that's been a dream of mine. So stay tuned and thank you for watching LyubakaVideo. Alright, looks like we're getting somewhere. So again, this is the case for the rod, and the rod is already assembled. Now I'm gonna be honest, I'm getting a little nervous. One of the things is that the reel seat needs a little bit of a filling in order to be stable. It fits nice, but as I'm casting, it will actually become looser and looser. So if you take a look here, after I've put the backing, the line is chock full. I'm gonna put a little bit of a rubber tape right here so it's gonna be more stable. And then what I did after I put that 7-foot tapered leader, I've tied on one of my tiniest flies. It's a size 10 green weenie. I'm thinking I'll start with bluegill, since these are the most abundant around this area. I'm pretty confident I can catch a bluegill, and I'll go from there, see how many species I can catch over the years with this new one weight by Aventik. Let's go. And luckily I have with me my pan fishing and crappie and trout fishing net by Odds Pro. This one has the retracting handle and it's a folding one, so that will help as well. Let's get out there and fish. Gonna try this little pool right here. There's a small bridge that comes in and then it pours out there. Let's see if we get lucky out here. Alright, I'm gonna tell you what, a 6-foot rod with a 12-foot 7X leader is not for these conditions right here. I tried. I'm really losing my patience, plus there's a bunch of poison oak, so I'll get out in the open water and just, it's not a trout day for sure. Oh my god, this is just frustrating, but I'll learn, I promise.
Там два, да?
Да.
О, тоже тот поймала.
I don't know if it's the same one, but definitely a nice one. And on the one weight, a great one. Okay. I think he managed to rip the other one off. Yep. I lost the other one. I ripped the hook off. Anyways,
Why he's looking just for this small?
That's what they feed on. They feed on small insects. They'll feed on anything. On the one weight. Take a picture. This one is my biggest one on the one weight yet. So let it go, let it grow. Okay.
Не было видео. Первая.
Double.
Nice. Double? Круто.
Вот такая наша рыбалка.
Вау.
Самое лучшее, что эти оба можно забрать.
Ага.
И самое, что
Красота.
это была цель рыбалки сегодня, чтобы поймать рыбу на
Можно пойти
новую
домой.
удочку.
Можно пойти домой, да? На виду как карасики.
Окунь, это белый окунь.
Белый окунь, да?
Надо поставить маленькое бедро, чтобы...
Угу. Сейчас. Вот, поймал еще один. Никуда не пойдет. Come on, fishy.
Окей. Вот это будет рыбалка сегодня. Надо поставить лайвстрим на YouTube, мне кажется.
Да?